Local news for Tuesday, the 2nd of June. Mike Butterick has been selected as the national candidate for Wairarapa. Mr Butterick says it's really exciting to be selected as a candidate, as Wairarapa, along with the rest of the country, is heading into some very uncertain times, and it needs a strong national government to help guide us out of this economic crisis. Mr Butterick says small businesses, from your cafes and hairdressers to your farms, vineyards and rural support businesses, are the backbone of the country. Several locals have made the Queen's Birthday Honours list, including Georgina Bayer and Archivist Gareth Winter. Greyhounds Rhonda Ngātiawa Fraser and for services to women and aviation. And Marston and farmer Bruce McKenzie was made a Companion of the New Zealand Order of Merit for services to the cattle industry, as well as Alistair Spelling, an officer of the New Zealand Order of Merit for services to state and community. Carterton Small Business Grant Fund is open for applications designed to help small businesses recover from the economic effects of COVID-19. Small-sized, locally owned and operated businesses in Carterton will be able to submit an application to the fund, giving them an opportunity to tell their story of how COVID-19 has affected them and how the grant will help keep their business going. And finally in sport, Wairarapa United have scored a 3-0 win in a pre-season match against Whanganui Athletic at the weekend. The Central League is set to get underway on the 13th of June. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.